Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a good smoothie. First, begin with your liquid base. About 1 cup is usually perfect. You can choose water, milk, or even a fruit juice. Next, add 1 to 2 cups of your favorite fresh or frozen fruits. Don't forget to toss in a handful of leafy greens like spinach for an extra nutritional boost. Finally, think about adding a protein source for a more satisfying drink. Achieving the perfect texture is key to a great smoothie. For a thicker, colder drink, always opt for frozen fruits. If your smoothie is too thin, add a few ice cubes one at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Start by blending your liquids and softer ingredients first to ensure a super smooth result. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of your blender if ingredients get stuck. Now let's talk about boosting both flavor and nutrition. For a well-rounded taste, try combining sweet fruits with a tart option like berries. A tablespoon of nut butter, such as almond or peanut, adds a wonderful richness and healthy fats. Don't forget to include seeds like chia or flax for extra fiber and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. A small pinch of spices, like cinnamon or ginger, can also elevate the overall flavor profile. Finally, the best part about making smoothies is the endless customization. If you prefer a sweeter drink, add a small amount of natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Feel free to experiment with various fruit and vegetable combinations to discover your personal favorites. For busy mornings, prepare your ingredients the night before for super quick blending. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, and incredibly nutritious smoothie right away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.